Okay, so we are here to look at just using the calculator to do some of these complex number operations, and it's really pretty simple. So if I want to do 2 plus 3i, I is second period. 2 plus 3i minus 1 plus 3i, and it gives me my answer. I could also do 2 plus 2i times 1 plus 4i. Sorry, I can multiply. Spits out answers. And the infamously difficult division, 1 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 5i. Oh, that looks horrible. Let me see if we can straighten that out a little bit. If we go to math and fraction, oh, look at that. It changed it to a nice fractional answer. So basically, everything that we struggled so hard to do in that last video is kind of trivialized here. That last thing that I did was use the math menu to do a fraction. Pretty much everything just works out really nice on the calculator, so not a lot of big issues here. Now, you still are going to have some trouble with things like the square root of negative 28. You can go to mode and change to a plus bi, and you could do the square root, and it tells you that it's an I, but it still doesn't work square roots out nicely for you. So that doesn't really help on things like that, but pretty much everything else that we did is really easy on the calculator.